Accidentally signed up for a Canva Pro free trial and now dreading that surprise charge? Don't worry, canceling your Canva Pro free trial on your iPhone is super easy, and this video will walk you through each step. First, tap on the Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, tap on your name at the very top. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. Now, look for the option labeled Subscriptions. It usually has a small icon next to it, and it's typically located a few options down. Tap on Subscriptions. Here you'll see a list of all your active and expired subscriptions. Find Canva Pro in the list. If you're still in your free trial, it should say something like Free Trial next to it. Tap on Canva Pro. On the Canva Pro subscription details page, scroll down to the very bottom. You should see an option that says Cancel Free Trial or Cancel Subscription. Tap on that button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to cancel. Tap Confirm to finalize the cancellation. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Canva Pro free trial. You'll typically still have access to Canva Pro features until the end of the trial period, but you won't be charged after that. Be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides.